Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to edit video fast on CapCut Mobile. So here's some pro tips and some hacks. First, my pro tips here is start with template. So start with the template. Tap the template on the home screen. Once you're on your home screen, then start from there and use the templates or import your clips and export them instantly. And another thing is pre-trim your clips before editing. In your gallery, use the built-in trimmer to cut out unusable parts like this. I made this video. So yeah, I cut out the unusable parts where um, I just did nothing. So this keep your CapCut timeline clean and save time dragging handles later. So use split plus delete for quick cuts. So if you want, you can choose on the video right here, then tap the split, then after that remove unwanted parts with delete. Do all split first, then clean up. It's faster than cutting as you go. So when you do this blah 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 like that, it's more easier to um, cut, then delete, then just clicking, then finding it, then delete, then clicking delete. No, it's much more easier to split first, then clean up after. Then there you go, just clean up on what you 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 cropped. So yeah, there you go. Another tip for you guys and hacks: sync to beat automatically. So add music. So just add music. If you're gonna add music here, right here, sync it automatically, but it's a hand, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So speed and velocity. So tap clip, then after tapping your clip, choose on speed, then um, curve, then custom. So add points to make slow, to mix, add points to make what do you call this, add points to make slow motion plus fast motion effects, velocity edits, or use ready-made velocity preset like bullet or hero, something like that. You can see the pre right here. Oh, there we have the rainbow, retro, flash, and all of that stuff. And or there you go. There again. There you go. And another tip for you guys: use auto caption and auto reframe. So text, just go to the text and auto caption for instant subtitles, so you don't have to click on your you don't have to type your subtitles like one by one them like da, 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 da. You don't have to do that. Just click on go text, then add subtitles, like auto caption it. As you can see right there, there's auto caption right there, then generate. And edit auto refrain keeps the subject centered, perfect for TikTok. This AI tool saves a huge amount of time. And save your what they call this presets. So what I mean by that is, once you have a favorite filter, text, styles, or transition, tap save to preset. Or maybe if you don't want to do that, just let's say you have a favorite video effect right here, like the blur or something like that. Say it's your favorite effect or something like that, you can add it to your favorites right here. You can add the blur to your favorite, so whenever you're gonna find the blur, it'll be right there, easy and quick to find. And export setting for fast upload: resolution is 1080, frame rate 60 for smoother edits, high bitrate, I suggest doing a high for clarity. Export tip: turn off background app to avoid lag while what they call this rendering. And bonus hack, layer clip smartly. Use overlay. I'm gonna do this. Use overlay. Add overlay for reaction pictures, picture in picture, or motion edits. Adjust maybe adjust the blend modes for cinematic looks, or all within seconds. So um, yeah, you can do that. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.